Go. Hello, Mika.
Hi. This is we got 5 subscribers. Hi, subscribers.
Ano pa sasabihin mo?
Salamat po.
Si subscribes more.
Subscribes more.
Hit like and the bell.
Hit like on the notification bell.
Notification bell. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
What would you do in your YouTube channel?
I would just subscribe to anyone.
Yeah, teach them how to. Oh, the bird. The bird is maingay.
Yeah.
It's up there.
I can't see it. What do you hear me chirping? I hear chirping.
Chirping.
Yeah.
Hindi tweet tweet.
Ah, the bird! That small bird know how to fly. Okay.
Nasa backyard kami, nagpapainit.
The bird! What is the bird is actually trying to freeze.
You go play?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have to do it.
You sing na, you sing. Si Doro mo small pitwit. Si Doro mo itumbong ang bangat.
Oh, I just saw that
It's
bird.
like ano,
It's like a bird.
English, Tagalog ang Pangasinan.
The feather. Yeah, that one.
Maingay yung ibon dyan, no?
It's not.
Nasa backyard kami. Mika trying to get some vitamin D.
Yeah. I'm trying to get some vitamin D. That's why we're just next to the sun. Stop the video. That's long. Whoa. Look at that. Ah!
Static.
Yeah, I hear the
Maingay yung
birds.
ibon. He wants some food.
Want some food?
There's a lemon tree.
Okay.
No, don't touch them. You can't stop it. Stop it.
I heard a pop.
Our backyard.
Yeah, we're gonna buy
Ay, dyan nagatamba sila mami.
next to the sun. What? This is where we go. If we have something slippers now. From yesterday.
A little garden.
What?
Sili ang pechay.
The balloon.
Anding kamote.
Yeah, what is that balloon? Why is it on the thing?
Wala na. Ay, sorry. Basura.
I know. I think you want to practice that one now. No.
Maingay yung ibon ah.
What?
Okay.
Okay.
See you guys on next video.
See you guys in the next video.
See you here.
Bye.